We've built ourselves one of the most advanced single-use large molecule production facilities in the world, and it does give the flexibility to be able to support multiple products at any given time. We have 3 manufacturing suites. All the way down on the far end of this hallway is actually our upstream processing room where all of our bioreactors will be. We've got a midstream processing room where actually all of our purification and polishing steps happen. And then we have a new Vanarex filling station, probably one of the most advanced self-contained filling pieces of equipment that exist.
We build a facility that can meet FDA, EU, Japanese regulations and be able to do that all inclusively within the biosafety level 2 environment. Inside the suites, each one of them has 6 HEPA filters which are pushing air down and cleansing the area constantly. It's removing 99.97% of all the particulates. Those particular rooms are called bubbles, and they actually force the air in and out so that it segregates and isolates individual suites. We can do just about anything we want in terms of temperature control of a reaction environment. Now we have those in all the suites.
The real benefit of the facility, though, is that it's not built for one product. This facility alone should be able to produce batches for 10 products before it reaches its full capacity.